In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group, add people to a group, and then add resources to a group to allow you to share and update information with multiple people. The first thing I want to do is create a group. So I'm going to go to Groups, My Groups, and then Create Group. I'm going to call this group Math Teachers. Then the description, Math Teachers. Privacy, I'm going to set to groups that only the group can see it and only by invite only. And you can play around with what your choices will be. I'm going to go ahead and put department groups here and hit create. All right, my group is done. Now I want to add members. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to members. And then I can start adding members. This is the same process I would use if I was adding members to a course. So I'm going to go to add a person. So I'm going to add Jen Lawson. And there we have it. Now notice it says pending. That means they have been given an invite, but has not accepted. So let me show you where that's going to end up. So I'm going to go and switch accounts to my Jen Lawson account. Now, the thing is, it shows up in the bell. My suggestion, when you create a group, email the people that are in the group to have them check the bell in their Schoology course. Now, notice there's notifications and requests. You want to go to requests. It says you have been invited to join the group Math Teachers. So at this point, I'm going to hit accept. And now I am part of that group. Now, here's one more thing that you're going to want to make sure you do. Once you have created the group, you're going to want to go to the group, go back to members, and make them an admin. If you do not make them an admin, they will not have the ability to post any materials. They can see the materials, but not post the material. From here, I can start adding materials to my resources. So I'm going to go to resources, and now you can see you have all of this information. You can start adding assignments in here. You can add rubrics. You can copy from resources. So there are a lot of options here for you. I'm going to show you one of the things that I want to do is I would like to share all of my materials from my advanced math course here. If I would like, I can copy my entire course and everything in it to resources, or I can just add certain pieces here. So what I'd like to do here is I can go to Options, Save Course to Resources, search the collection here for Math Teachers, and I'm not going to put it in any specific folder right now, so I'm just going to hit Submit. Now, once I do this, it's going to take quite a bit of time because there is a ton of information in these folders. So I'm just going to ahead and hit Submit. Now, if you'll notice, it says your operation is currently being executed, so it may take a while. Now, if I don't want to do the whole entire course, what I can do is I can do it by folder, find Math Teachers, save a copy. If I just want to do something specific, so just this assignment, I can do that as well, save to resources and save to group. This will allow everybody in that group access to those materials. So I'm going to go back to groups here. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So Math Teachers, resources, and there it is. My current unit data about us is all in there. Now, one thing I want you to understand is this makes a copy. If I go through and make any changes in the group resources, it will not make changes in your course. This is not a live document like Google. This is more of copy and assignment copy a document, copy anything. So if you make any changes to this or import it into your course. Now let's talk about importing these back into a course. So I'm going to go to one of my courses here. I'm just going to choose my sandbox for right now. Then I'm going to go to Add Materials, Import from Resources, and I'm going to go to my group here, Math Teachers, and I can choose to import the whole folder, or if I wanted to, just parts of a folder, and hit Import. There are advanced options here that you can set up if you'd like with the due date, and you can change all of this information if you'd like. And I'm going to hit Import. There it is, right there at the bottom.